We will get things done for America to make our people safer, smarter, and healthier. I will bring Americans together to strengthen our communities. Faced with apathy, I will take action. Faced with conflict, I will seek common ground. Faced with adversity, I will persevere. I will carry this commitment with me this year and beyond. I'm an AmeriCorps member and I will get things done.
So in my 9 months here, I came out with a few certifications such as Green Building, OSHA 10, PACT. I even got a certification from Walsh that was like a Google Apps from an online class. I even had the opportunity to travel to Utah and Washington, D.C. So while I was in Utah, it was a service project. We were building furniture for refugees who had to flee their countries because of the conflicts and for other reasons. And while I was in Washington, D.C., I was there for a COIL conference. Basically, it's the conference of young leaders. So a bunch of leaders like myself, we came together for a few days and we basically tried to come up with a way to combat problems in our communities.
I really like the construction portion of Project Rebuild because it allows me to get more hands-on, and that's an easier way for me to learn things.
I think Project Rebuild gives these students an incredible opportunity to build their confidence and really let them know who they are. And it gives me the opportunity to share a lifetime of experience in the construction industry, as well as just being a productive, selfless member of society. That is something that I truly appreciate about Project Rebuild being a nonprofit, and just everything that we give every day for these students to win and succeed. And that is my biggest gift, is when I see them achieve and win and see the smile on their face and that bulb goes off. It is just the best ever.
I'm happy to be a Rebuild because it gives me the opportunity to change my life, get the credentials necessary to change myself in the future to become a better person.